Hi everyone! My name is Teacher Heather, and I would like to share with you about the amazing booking system with Magic Ears. A lot of people, when they first want to join on with Magic Ears, they're always concerned, do the teachers book? Do the parents book? Does Magic Ears book, or the company specifically books? And one of the best things with Magic Ears is that they book the classes for you. So there is no trial with students for them to see if they like you or not, and for them to book you. So they will automatically book you. So I am going to share my screen and show you a little bit about what the Magic Ears booking system looks like. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so first, just don't mind the blue. The blue is senior courses. I am also a workshop teacher, so that's what that is for. But the stuff here in this tan color is the available slots that Magic Ears offers. And I am in Mountain Time. So our first slot starts at 4:30, which is 6:30 p.m. Beijing time. So I just wanted to give you guys an example. Now, when you first start out as a Magic Ears teacher, you are considered a freshman teacher. So you only have, I believe it is 3 slots a day that you are able to open, and that's okay. Magic Ears does this because they want you to slowly grow, understand the platform, and understand their bottom lines. So that's why they have the fewer classes. So as you grow, your booking rate will increase. So that's another common question. What's the booking rate? How many classes will I get? So most junior teachers get about 50 to 60% of what they open. Senior teachers can expect somewhere around 80%, and then Magic Masters get 100% bookings. Now, as you hit junior teacher, you are able to open standbys. So what usually happens is about 24 hours. So let's say this is 5 a.m. my time, and around 5:05 a.m., sometimes it'll pop up that says apply standby, and you can click to apply a standby for an open slot. So this is coming up for the next week for me. So you see I open about 3 slots a day based on what I am available for. And when I get booked, or when you get booked, it will show up in red. Open means it is still open. It can still be booked. It may not get booked. It just depends on your rank. Now, a lot of people ask, well, how do you cancel if it's booked or if it's open? Now, one great thing with Magic Ears is you get 2 times a month to cancel any book slot. So let's say, for example, this is for October 8th, and I wouldn't be able to teach it. I would click on that, and it tells us that if you need to cancel the book classes, please email them. You know, just common courtesy so they know. And you can click cancel and then hit OK. Now, of course, if you have an emergency, you're sick, family member is sick, power outage, anything like that, it will not count towards your 2 absences or canceled classes. Now, if you have an open slot, you can open and close them as many times as you want with no penalty at all. See, they're gone. Now it shows that it's open, or, you know, not booked at all. Now if I want to open it, you just click, and there it shows that it is open. So it is very, very, very simple. I like this. So if you need to change things every week, you know, it's not consistent. You know, if some weeks you can't work on a Monday, but you can work a Friday or whatever else, it's really nice that you can open your schedule how it fits your needs. Now with bookings, you will not get 100% confirmation until 24 hours prior. So let's say your first class is at 5 a.m. your time zone. You will get an email. They usually come at about 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll get the email that pops up showing your class will start soon, and then it will show you what is there. So you will see your schedule kind of bounce around from booked and open up until 24 hours prior. Anything after 24 hours, you can try to apply a standby, and you could potentially be teaching a standby class. And if you do not teach, you do get $5 for just booking a standby class. Also, if you happen to get an email and it shows in your email for a booked class, let's say it's telling you you're teaching for 5 a.m. and you wake up and your class is gone. You're like, oh, what happened? I got booked. It's okay. If you have that email confirmation, it usually means that the student canceled and that there will not be a class. Magic Ears is so generous that they're still going to pay you for that class. So that's an amazing perk. I have had that happen to me once or twice, and it totally scared me. But the booking system is great. So I do hope that this makes sense for you. So just remember, you get 2 cancellations a month for already booked classes unless it is an emergency. You can open and close slots that show open whenever you want. There is no penalty for that at all. And if you do have an emergency or anything like that, please Skype them immediately so that way they know they can send it over to a standby teacher. That is why we have them. So I hope this video was informational for you and gave you guys some good tips. Thank you.